If you're over 40 and you're trying to eat better, let's be honest, it's confusing out there. Keto says no carbs, plant-based says no meat, but your body after 40, it has its own needs, and if you ignore them, fat sticks around, energy tanks, and hormones go high. Today, I'm breaking down 10 foods that everyone over 40 should be eating regularly, and not just for weight loss, but for energy, for hormones, and for longevity. Of course, we all want to live long and healthy, and these aren't fates, they are fuel for the next chapter of your life. And hey, if you want a done-for-you guide with meals and simple habits to lose fat at 40 plus, grab my free 7-day jumpstart plan. It's in the comment section or in the description of this video. It's free. No calorie counting, no fluff. Just a simple plan that will start getting you results in 7 days. Let me tell you a story. Last March, I was talking to a client, Tony. He's 52. Great guy. He was eating less. He was doing some walking. He was keeping the junk, but he was still stuck. Why? Simply because his body was not getting what it needed. Listen, after 40, food is not just about calories. It's about fuel. Fuel that fights inflammation. Fuel that supports your hormones. Fuel that keeps muscles, not just burns fat. When we cleaned up his food, not restricted it, but upgraded it, things shifted. But more than that, he felt like himself again. So what are the 10 foods you must be eating that matters, not only for your weight, but also for your health at your current age? Food number 1 on the list, salmon or fatty fish. This food is very rich in omega-3s. It fights inflammation, it protects your joints, it boosts your brain health, and it helps with hormone balance. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a week, and wild caught is the best, not the found one. Superfood number 2 is berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, you get it. They are powerful antioxidants. They are great for your brain, for your heart, and your immune system. They are also low in sugar than most foods, and they are perfect if you're watching your carbs. Superfood number 3, eggs, especially the yolk. Don't be afraid of the cholesterol. Eggs have choline, protein, and healthy fats. They protect your muscles, your memory, and hormone health. Eat the yolks, my friend. Eat the yolks. Don't be afraid. Superfood number 4, leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, all those green veggies. If you really want nutrients, start from here. They support digestion, they support bone health, and they support energy. Pour them in a smoothie, stir fry them, mix them with some eggs. It's a powerful combination. Superfood number 5, avocados. They provide the body with the much healthy fats that you need. Those fats that support your heart, that support your brain, that support your hormones. And they also keep you fuller for longer, which is key to prevent cravings. Superfood number 6, Greek yogurt. And always go for the unsweetened version. They are very high in protein, they are great for gut health, and they keep the blood sugar levels stable. Add some berries into them, and you've got a fat-burning snack that keeps you fuller while nourishing your body and helping you burn fats. Superfood number 7, olive oil. It's anti-inflammatory, it supports brain health, and it helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Use it cold or at low heat. Swap it for junky seed oils, vegetable oils. Swap it for it. Superfood number 8. You have a combination of 3, chicken, turkey, or lean beef. After 40, protein is not negotiable. It helps you hold on to muscles. It helps you feel full, and it burns more calories at rest. Yeah, it's the macronutrient with the highest thermic effect of food. Go for high quality, minimally processed meats. Superfood number 9, sweet potatoes. This is a complex carb that is packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamin A. It's great for energy, it's great for gut health, and it's great for even your sleep. Superfood number 10, walnut or almonds. They should be raw and unsalted. They are great because they have everything: healthy fat, protein, and fiber. They are amazing as a small snack to curb your hunger. Just don't eat them by a handful. Portion is very important. Portion matters. These are the kind of foods, snacks, and much needed supplements I try to implement with my coaching clients all the time because they work. If you're trying to lose weight without starving, you're trying to reclaim your body, You are trying to regain your energy. These are your friends. If you want help building meals around them, check my free guide, a 7-day plan to jumpstart your weight loss journey. You have all of this inside. Believe me, within 7 days, you'll start getting some results. And if you're tired of starting and stopping, let's jump on a one-on-one call. Let's talk 15-20 minutes and create a game plan for you that works for you, for your lifestyle, for your age. That's going to take into consideration everything around you. And before we go, let me just give you a bonus tip. What you should avoid. Of course, if I'm telling you these are things you should be eating, you're definitely asking, Coach, what should I not be eating? It's very important to know what to cut back. The first thing is seed oils, canola, soybean, cut them out. The second is processed snack foods. The third is sugar bombs disguised as healthy, granola bars or flavored yogurts. Cut them off. And the fourth is alcohol, especially that nightly wine. This is very difficult for some people. I'm not saying cut them completely off, but try to reduce the consumption as much as you can. Because these foods silently slow your progress. They raise inflammation and they spike your cravings, pushing you to want to eat more. Your body at 40 and above is not your enemy. It's just asking for better fuel. Not punishment, not starvation, just better food, smart habits, and consistent action. You still have time. You still have the fire. These foods are a great start, but if you want a full roadmap, I've got you covered. Book a 20 minutes call with me. The link is on the description of this video. Let's see what's possible for you. And believe me, within 90 days, you're going to be someone else. Or you can grab my free 7-day jumpstart plan. The link is right below. Always remember, I am here to listen to you. I'm here to tell you what works for you. So don't forget to subscribe, share, so that like-minded people can get this message. See you on the next one. Copy that.